Did you know there are over 14,000 types of mushrooms? Today, we're exploring the best edible mushrooms, how to cook them, and what makes each one unique. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're diving into the world of mushrooms. From common supermarket varieties to rare gourmet finds, and the best ways to cook them. Let's get started. The big three. The most common mushrooms. White button mushrooms. Mild, slightly spongy, and perfect for pizzas, salads, and roasting. Cremini, baby Bella. A more mature version of white buttons with deeper umami flavor. Portobello, large, meaty mushrooms, great for grilling or using as a burger bun replacement. Woody and earthy mushrooms. Shiitake, rich, smoky flavor. Great for stir-fries, soups, and broths. Maitake, hen of the woods. Frilly and flavorful, ideal for frying and roasting. Enoki, thin and delicate, best for ramen and hot pot. Oyster mushrooms, mild and slightly sweet. Amazing for sautéing and grilling. Gourmet and specialty mushrooms. Lion's mane, meaty, with a lobster-like texture. A fantastic seafood alternative. Morels, expensive, nutty, and earthy, often stuffed or sautéed with butter. Chanterelles, golden, slightly fruity, and perfect for pairing with creamy sauces. Porcini, rich and nutty, often used in Italian dishes and risottos. Truffles, the ultimate luxury ingredient, shaved over pasta, eggs, or risotto. Best cooking techniques for mushrooms. Sautéing brings out deep umami flavors with butter and garlic. Roasting concentrates flavors and creates a crispy texture. Grilling, perfect for portobellos and larger mushrooms. Pickling, adds tangy depth to salads and sandwiches. How to store and keep mushrooms. Fresh, use a paper bag. Prevents excess moisture buildup. Store in the fridge, not airtight containers. Allows airflow and reduces sliminess. Dry and rehydrate. Extends shelf life for gourmet mushrooms like porcini and chanterelles. Now you know how to choose, cook, and store mushrooms like a pro. What's your favorite type of mushroom? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to explore more unique ingredients? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and recipes.